Hey,
Hey.
Mickey.
What?
Mickey.
Oh, I said naked. I was like, what?
Mickey?
Okay. Hey. Jody. Jody. Yeah. You want to hear me rap? Just kidding. I'm not gonna rap. I don't rap for the woman.
She doesn't rap for the woman.
Rap for the man. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. The search.
I rap for Justin.
Belle Prater. Remember her? Oh,
Shh.
sorry.
That person may be watching and wondering, oh, I heard about her. She's supposedly a friend.
She's my best. Just kidding. I hate her. I don't.
She's not real.
She's not real?
She's in a book.
Oh, I thought she wrote the book.
No, the chick that wrote the book is your person. Yearling.
She's a horse. There's a picture of a horse.
That sounded wrong. She's a horse. She's crazy. Try some pickle salt.
Me? No, I don't want to see my face.
I do.
You
Go
do it
for it.
first. Quit meowing. You're scaring me, freak show.
It's my cat.
I said, what?
Pickle salt. Where's my hand at? Can you see the pickle salt? There's pickle salt in my hand.
They can see your hand, Micah.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready. Don't cry, Micah.
Your turn.
Put them in there. Ah! I don't think that was the low roar she was talking about. I don't want the big fat thing. It's obese.
Go for it.
I'm not ready.
That was the cat trying to
It
get
was.
into the thing under the sink.
I dropped my pickle sauce.
Here's some more.
I dropped it.
My
when we
mom's
were
gonna get back here in a second.
It was Micah. You're not gonna blame it on me, are you?
I'm putting the rim on the cat and we got scared.
Yeah. Stupid cat. Love you.
Okay, go for it.
You gave me more. Okay.
No, I didn't.
Eat it. Sounds so wrong.
You're so perverted.
No, because I said that the other day and Jared said, whoa, I don't do that. I was like, what? Okay. There we go.
You're so cool. How's it taste? How's it taste?
I got pickle.
I got pickle. It's in your hair. It's all over your mouth. Not that side. Okay, good. Crack me up.
That must be painful.
I'm sorry.
I danced it now.
Do it. She's got more in her hand. Okay. Seriously want to see that.